Hello friends, in this video lecture we will learn about a difference between scalar or vector quantity. So started. Scalar quantity or a vector quantity both are the quantity. In this lecture we will learn about both the differences between scalar or vector. Then firstly we will start the its differences. In a scalar quantity have a magnitude but no direction. Scalar quantity have a magnitude but there will be a no direction, and vector quantity have a magnitude and direction. It means that vector quantity have both. Then scalar quantity have a distance and vector quantity have a displacement. And the next one is scalar quantity have a speed and vector quantity have a velocity. Scalar quantity have a speed and vector quantity have a velocity. And scalar quantity have a mass and vector quantity have a weight. Scalar quantity have if scalar quantity have a energy, then vector quantity have a acceleration. And in the case scalar quantity have a density, then there will be in a vector quantity there will be the force, and in a scalar quantity there will be the power, and vector quantity have a impulse. Then if in a scalar quantity there will be the length, area and volume, in this same manner vector quantity have a pressure. Vector quantity have a pressure. If scalar quantity have a time, then vector quantity have a momentum. And in a scalar quantity have a temperature, then in this case vector quantity have a gravity. In a scalar quantity have a work, then vector quantity have a drag. Vector quantity have a drag. Then so these are the most important difference between scalar or vector quantity with their basics. Let us start it. Scalar quantity have a magnitude. Magnitude means size only. And vector quantity have a both magnitude and direction, both are present. And scalar quantity can be added algebraically, and vector quantity can be resolved into a components in a different planes. Then scalar quantity have a cannot be resolved into a different planes, and vector quantity represented by a line with the arrow on the and represent direction means length of the line can be scaled. Then so these are the definition of the scalar and the vector quantities. So we learn about the definition of the scalar and vector quantity. A scalar quantity is one that only indicates how much. A scalar quantity is one that only indicates how much. And the magnitude of the quantity means scalar quantity is one of only the indicates how much and the magnitude of the quantity. And a vector quantity is what? Vector quantity indicates the how much, the magnitude and the direction of the quantity. Then a vector quantity is written with the an arrow. Look at this figure of the arrow and above the quantity. So these are the basic concept of scalar or vector quantity, and in this slide we learn easily about the definition of this scalar and vector quantity and both the basic differences. So in the next video lecture we learn about the equilibrium forces. Thanks for watching.